Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on ATH, the native token for the Aether enterprise-grade GPU compute platform. Based on my analysis, we have a clear bearish structure here. As you can see, the price is forming a rising wedge pattern, which is a classic bearish trend reversal signal. This suggests that even though the price has been moving upward, the buying pressure is exhausting, and we're seeing an overextended and overbought RSI on the daily chart, which often leads to a strong correction. For this reason, I urge everyone to be cautious with the potential for a significant correction. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.